Hello Cancers, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. So as you already saw the shuffling for this, let's have an advice card and then we will start your reading. Don't forget to look out for your sun, moon and rising sign to get a comprehensive message for the May 2021. All the readings are uploaded for the May 2021 and links are in the description, so you don't face any problem in that aspect. Okay, so your advice. Okay, you got two cards. Truth be told and to the sea. Nice. Okay. Now let's start your reading, guys. So first of all, we'll start with your energy. That what's your energy in the month of May? And I'm seeing that you are moving away from something which you thought as your emotional, like that it will make you feel very fulfilled, you know, something you thought as a 10 of cups. You are moving away from that thing because you are thinking like your happiness is somewhere else, or you need some kind of peace in your mind, and you have went through a lot of growth and regeneration, the lotus I'm seeing here, and now you are seeing that there is a lot of potential in the sea, like there is a sea here also and here also. So there's a lot of potential, a lot of things which you can explore in this sea, and there's not just one thing which can make you happy. So you are getting past that kind of thought patterns that something or someone can make you happy, and you are moving away towards your peace of mind, your actual happiness, your internal happiness, your growth, your own colors. You are seeing your own beautiful colors and not seeing the world as in like seeing just external stuff. You're just seeing the true beauty that you have in your mind, and nothing external is, you know, going to bother you or making you feel any down or making you feel any like you are less than someone. You are going towards a peaceful journey which is making you feel actually emotionally fulfilled, and that's your energy, that's your decision, that's what you desire, that's what you want, and that's how you're gonna plan further. So let's see what actually gonna happen. And that was just your energy, and you're seeing the potential in the future, and you're waiting for the things you know, that you desire, and which will be as per your plan. Okay, let's see, because the month is starting with the 10 of swords, like a lot of pain, a lot of betrayal, a lot of lies, a lot of failures, a lot of things which made you feel like I cannot do this anymore. And that's when you are going to find the actual leveling up partner, leveling up love, leveled up connection with your work, which is going to make you feel like, you know, the efforts that I'm putting into this thing or this someone, the same thing or even more than that is coming towards me. So it's not like just draining your cup. It's like you are giving them, they are giving you, equal giving and receive. That's what you desire, and that's why you are moving, like you are taking a risk. You are just leaving things of the past in the behind, you know, in the past, and you're moving forward towards the thing that you want. But with that being said, the Fool is also energy of risk taker, and risk don't always make you reach there where you planned for. Like there's still a lot of like calculation, like calculated risk is a thing, but I'm not seeing that thing here. You have not calculated this risk, and there is like either there is a fear of failure, or if you are not fearful of failure, like you are so sure that you're going to get much better things that you got or had in your life, then I would suggest take a very calculated steps, because I don't want you to reach this 10 of swords again, because there is a tendency, because Fool is just looking at him, looking at this thing. And don't base your decision, you know, on the experience that you got. Like don't see like that person had done this thing, then that is a red flag. No, that is not always a red flag. Sometimes something good happens, sometimes some big bads happen, so we just need to consider that big bads, not the good thing. So you need to be mindful at that moment. Like if you were, you know, preparing for some career, some exams, or you want to get into some B school or something, or you want to start a business, so you know you have failed in a business, let's suppose. So don't just, you know, forget everything like I did everything wrong. No, you did something right there also. Are you understanding? Just try to you know, separate the right things that you did, right things that you felt and experienced from a person, and separate the right things from the wrong things, and then move forward. That will be a calculated step in your life, and that's what I want you to take. Okay. And when it comes to the universe, the people, you know, support, it will, you know, you will get that support. Why? Because after 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups is coming. Oh yeah, people are there to celebrate this energy with you. The manifestation that you are bringing in your life, people will celebrate with you. They will not tell you that you are doing wrong, or this will turn out to be that again, or you should not do this. You will feel very supported in your life, and that will make you feel much more supported and much more courageous to take this risk, or take, you know, make this change, because you are, for the very first time, I think you are telling yourself the truth, and you are just letting go of something which you were just holding on from a very long time, because it was just making you bleed, like it was just making you feel painful. So you are just trusting the uncertainty, the unknowingness. You are feeling like no matter what is in the future, it will be better than this at least. So you are having that trust, and you are taking the risk, and you are happy, you are enjoying the process, and yeah, that is what I'm seeing. And you know, I don't know why I'm feeling like for the first time you're seeing the things for the what, for why they are there, what was the purpose, what's your connecting thoughts for the very first time in the right way. And that is making me feel very good about you, because I'm seeing that there will be a lot of clarity and lot of desire and lot of motivation. Clarity, desire, motivation towards a new beginning in your life. Towards a new beginning in your life. Okay. Underdeck energy is telling about that you are looking towards the past for the information, the right things, and then you will move towards the future. Okay, because you have thought about it a lot, and you have gone through the process of pain. Like, this is the rock bottom, Cancers. You cannot go further. Like, that's that. At least not in this in this process, in this connection, or in this thing. Like, you cannot lose more in this particular thing. Now there is more good stuff only which can come towards you. Okay, and you are having that trust to the sea. You're putting that trust in the universe that I'm letting go of this thing, I'm letting go of this box into the sea, and universe is actually smiling at you like, you're doing right, babe, you're doing the right thing. And you're opening your heart to the universe. And after a lot of thought, there was a lot of thought which went into this thing, and then you are taking this step. But do consider the right things that you did in your life. Don't forget that. Don't regret that. Don't stop to appreciate that. Be proud of those right things in life, Cancers. Okay? And yeah, you are doing right. I think I'm actually feeling it, that you're doing right. Or it could be a Gemini or a Aries, or Gemini is coming strong, or in Aries is also coming strong, but Leo is also here. So this could be the people that can come towards you. Okay? And there is dawn. New beginning, new dawn, new stuff, good stuff. change is good, and you're telling yourself truth and you're making right decision. There is nothing wrong in it. And when you take, it is not escaping. When you don't escape the moment, you move on from a moment for right reasons, then you are doing right thing, no matter what will happen in the future. And Cancers are doing the right thing, and I'm happy for that. Okay, you are actually making a wise decision in your life. Maybe few of you have said this thing to yourself, or someone has said this thing, because one thing which is coming again and again to me, Cancers, is like, for the very first time you are doing something right, and I'm proud of you. Okay, I'm proud of you, Cancers. So that's that, and I'll wrap this reading on that note. Let me know how you resonated with this reading. Like, share, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chetna, and I do pick cards and horoscopes reading. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Secondly, if you want a personal reading exclusively with me at 50% off, then I'm running the offer for the month of May on huge demand of some, due to Corona situation, people want some financial off their offer from my side. So I am doing that thing, a small token of love and support that you have shown me from all these 2.5 years. I'm so grateful for that. So I'm doing this thing, and if you want my advice or spirit's advice, or want to know something from tarot, then definitely go for that. Okay, information description box below. If you want to win a personal reading with me, that is also very easy. The process is in description box below, so go there and check that out. Okay guys, bye. I love you. God bless you. You're doing right, don't worry.